Hey everyone, welcome back. Want to know which message gets more clicks or leads? Today, I'll show you a simple way to run an A/B test in ManyChat for free. An A/B test just means sending two different versions of a message to see which one performs better. First, you'll need two separate broadcasts. Go to Automation and click Broadcasts. Create your first broadcast. Write your version of the message. For example, a direct call to action like, "Get your discount now." Instead of sending it to everyone, we'll split the audience. Create a new custom audience. You can filter by something like people who subscribed in the last 24 hours. Note how many people are in this group. Let's say 100 people now. Create your second broadcast. This is your B version. Change the message slightly, like start saving today. Make sure the link you're tracking is the same. For this broadcast, create another custom audience. Use the same filter, but this time, select a different, equally sized segment. If your first audience had 100 people, make this one also around 100 people from a different time period. Schedule both broadcasts to go out at a similar time. Like the same day at 10 a.m., now the test is running. The key is to track your results. After 24 hours, check the analytics for each broadcast. Go to Reports and look at the click-through rates. See which version had a higher percentage of people clicking your link. The winning version is the one you should use for your entire audience moving forward. And that's it. You've just run a basic A/B test to optimize your chatbot's performance. If you try this, let me know which message won in the comments. See you in the next one.